Alright, hi guys. Here we're going to be building a Pyro Pyramid patio heater 4800, and some pieces that come with it are the reflector, top plate ASSI, the glass tube, upper support, protective guard, black silicone rings, side panels, front panels, gas hose and regulator, middle plate, a control box ASSI, lower support, wheel assembly, bottom plate, and a block belt. And it does come with tools to assemble it, and all the screws and the parts.
Alright guys, so we're about halfway through the build. You could see that we got all our bolts tightened. They go into the center over here. You can see they're centered, all of them. And then we got our strap in and our propane tank. So we're almost done. We're just halfway through. We just got to build the top part and then we should be good to go. Alright guys, our lower support's done, and now we just finished doing our upper support. So now we just need to finish putting in the top of our pyramid and then putting in the center stuff, and we'll be good to go. Alright guys, so our grates are on, our glass tubing's in, top's on. When you put the grates in, just make sure you get them in these little holes that you see on the sides. They slot in like that, slide down, and they should be pretty stable. But then we're also gonna put in the clamps at the top to secure it even more. Alright, we got it all assembled. Didn't take too long. We got everything on here. We got our panels, we got the top part, we got our glass in there. We already have our propane tank in here. There's a door, it opens up, has the chain connected so it doesn't come off completely. Here's the back. Got the wheels right here so we can wheel it wherever we want. Really elegant design, really nice. We'll show you guys it set up at night so that you can see how the fire looks. All right, check it out.